Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a Lurella box, pretty decently sized Lurella box. Just came today. Wasn't going to film today because I was busy running errands, hence this perfectly straight hair. I didn't even bother because it's so windy out there. I knew that it would be a disaster, so why even bother, curling it. It says keep glowing with Lurella on the inside of their box. It always comes very well packaged. Let's get rid of these. Oh, nice. Quite a few of them in here this time. Maybe the minute I put this over there, she'll come wet. Oh. So, I'll just put it on the floor. Let's see. Last month we had a card. I don't know if we have one this time. Honestly. I don't see one. But we'll start out with, now we have nice colors. So this is a green headband. The ones that are out there all over the place. I'll probably share this one. I think this is maybe the third one that I've received. Maybe not from them, but the second one that I've received from them. So I'll share that in a giveaway. Don't need it. This is Mini Glow. This should be a little light. Yeah. As you can see right here. These are great. I have one at my bedside. So it is a clip. Ooh, always scares me the first time. It is a clip and it is a light. So you get right there, and it's different, bright off. It's right next, it's hooked to something right next to my bed. This way, if I wanted just a little bit of light, I can just put it on and easy to put off. I think I have given one of these away already. I might give this, I might keep it. I don't know. I'm not going to say I'm going to give it away if I don't. So next, I've been enjoying their masks. Hydrating facial mask, avocado. These are actually pretty good. And the moisturizing facial mask, honey. And these are natural mask cloth. Honey can help return moisture, make the skin bright, soft, and supple. I don't mind if it, honey, I'm like, if it was something that I had to eat or something like that, the answer would be no. I generally don't care for honey masks just because of the honey factor, but the avocado one, let me see what this one is. Contains rich essential fatty acids and vitamins, which is characterized by its buttery, soft, and yellow flesh. Softens and hydrates dry skin. Well, I have very dry skin right now. Let's do this next. Looks like we have a palette. Bad Romance Shadow Palette. I do have this, which I did slice my finger on the side trying to open this box after I took my thumbnail. I was like, no. I expected it just to bleed because I sliced right across my thumb, but it didn't. So I think I just caught the surface. Thank goodness. Let's put that on. Let's see what you look like. Raised lettering. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. No mirror, which is okay. This is what it looks like. Perfect size, not bad. Some of the blues, like the grayish blues, are nice. I don't know if I would use that or not. It's a nice palette. Not bad. That one looks like there's a mark on it, but not by me. I did not touch it. So that's that. What do we have here? A beauty sponge protector. I have, and these are sealed, right? I think these are all sealed up, maybe. I have, yeah, they're sealed on the side. This is how I get cut. I have a bad habit of cutting things towards me instead of away. I'm sure most people don't even think about it, but that's, I think I've kept one like this in the past. So it is vented, and you just, when you have your wet beauty sponge, you can do both. If you're just resting it on your sink, putting it in, it's good to travel with, and then you can close it up, vents, so it could dry, so it doesn't get, weird on you. That's not bad to have one of those. Let's just see. I love these. These are like their mini teardrop sponges. You get 3 of them, and you get the soap. Soap is on the bottom. They're actually do come in handy. I don't know where to go next. Ooh, look what we have. This looks like a roll. Now, I'm not going to open this because I am going to just put this in a giveaway. So, that's what that is. 12 pieces. You can see on the back, it does come in a roll. So, you have like a big fan, face brush, 1, 2, 3, 4 face brushes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shadow brushes. So, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. What do we have here? I can't even read that. Eyelash cleaner. That's interesting. I love they're getting back to their better brush sets. That's what I miss about them the most. Like, the individuals are fine, but I like the sets like that. I mean, they used to give away some really awesome sets. An eyelash cleanser. That's good to get mascara off. Maybe some lash glue. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, nice. Right there. Nice little pump. Eyelash cleaner. Huh. Put that right on a, like a cotton round to get any, great to get liner off, mascara, all that good stuff. Oops, we'll save that for last. And it looks like, yeah, no card. They send an invoice, which I wind up shredding. I don't need to keep that. And then here we have, what are you? A liner. And this looks like it's red. So let me try to open this without getting cut. I think it's just I don't think it's a lip liner, but a red eyeliner. It's an eyeliner. Yep, right there, red. I won't be keeping that. I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're into color, you could pull that off. I cannot. So we'll just put that right back in. And then we have this. And I'm trying to think if we got this before. If I have one. An on-the-go mirror. And you can put it in your car. You could probably put it anywhere. So here's the cord. It's all USB. See if I can take this out. And get a little instruction. Because if I have one, then I don't know if I can share this because. So I'm going to show it to you. So with the plastic on. So here it is right there, and has different, on and off. Brighter. Yeah, you can alternate. We'll just go off right there. And on the back, you have right here, and it does have a cover on it, like Velcro, to go over like your visor in your car. So if obviously, I see people doing it all the time. I do not ever. I mean, if I'm stopped at a light, something like that, or I'm just stopped, I could easily put lipstick on. I don't need a mirror for that. But if you're the passenger and you have to do your makeup or you're traveling and you just want to touch up, this is great. I think I do have one of these. Where did I share it? I'm not really sure. If I did not keep it, then I'll keep this one. If I gave it away, then, if I didn't give it away and I kept one, then I will share one. I don't need to keep all these. So everything's included in the box. It's a nice secure box. I don't know if this would fit in the medium boxes or not, but this is really nice to have. So that and the brushes, beautiful palette, nice. Eyelash cleaner. I'm trying to just get everything looking nice again. So then here we have the sponge holder, the little teardrop sponges. Get rid of that. The 2 face masks, nice. The mini glow clip light is always appreciated, and the headband. I don't think, and then the red eyeliner, which I don't really think goes. It's almost like they should have done green, because it's green sponges, green headband. Like they could have done green for sure. Let me put these up now, because Oreo will play. He's sound asleep right now, so I'm grateful for that. Not a bad box. Some great things. They need to start pumping up the makeup a little bit more. I know, like I've said, they need to get different, you know, lip shades and different liners and just things like that. I would love to see, you know, if they're venturing into masks, I would love to see some other skincare, because, you know, we have this, technically skincare. I would love to see some, and, you know, we have setting sprays. I would love to see more skincare come from them eventually, I think, because their makeup is phenomenal. And I love all their other products, you know, their merch type products, the mirrors and things like that. So not a bad box for this month at all. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And I appreciate all of you watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.